Hello guys, this is the Gaming Mohan channel and today we are going to see how to install God of War Ghost of Sparta PSSSP on Android. So let's see. First open Google. Games. Click on that link, open it in Chrome and you can see the picture like this, then save game. The download will always start again. I already downloaded it. You can see it here. God of War Ghost of Sparta 1.15 GB, and you have to also download ZA Archiver APK and PSSSP Gold or normal PSSP. Now I will show you how to install it. Once you have downloaded it, it will save it on your download folder on any folder. You can see it here. Now open ZA Archiver and go to downloads. You can see that there is the God of Sparta. You can see it here. Click on that and you can extract here or extract to. I have extracted it to this folder. That's this ISO file. You have to also extract it. Extract here and it is done. Now close the ZIQ and open PSSP you have downloaded. See the symbol you can see. Now go to the this file you have downloaded. I will show you how to go. Home. Your folder all will come here and you have to just go to downloads and here the Ghost of Sparta. The gaming file will be marked gold, so you can easily identify and click on that. Just install. I have already installed it, so I will not be installing it. After you installed, you can see it like here. The symbol will come. See, click on the symbol. Another one thing guys, you have to click on that symbol and go to game settings. Backend mode will be Vulkan, but you have to change it to OpenGL. Now continue. You can see that Santa Monica Studio and Ready at Dawn Studio. It is lagging guys. I will show you how to fix the lag. Open PSSP. Go to the game settings. Frame skipping number 5. Tick the lazy texture catching speed up. And disable slow effects. And you can do this high or medium due to your phone's RAM. I did not save state, load state. Wait a minute, guys. Now it will not lag.